Hey guys, Tarun here from Miners Gateway. So today we'll be looking at the equipment that I use, or let me rephrase that to the brushes and tools that I use um, to clean my GPUs. Right. So these are the tools that we are looking at. This is a portable blower, right? You get this off Amazon. This I think costed me close to about less than $100, right? So close to about $50, or 50 to $60, right? So this comes in handy. What it does is it is a portable blower which has a battery inside, right? And this has a micro USB port. I don't know if you can see it, but this has a micro USB port which actually can be used for fast charging. And this comes with two attachments. One is with the brush, the other one is just a pipe, which is a blower, right? So this can be activated with the switch here. So let me do that. Sorry for the noise in advance. So you can hold it down and it'll turn on, or if you want to continue, if you don't want to hold it down and if you want to just use it continuously, then just press the trigger twice and it runs. So you can use it for blowing. You press the trigger once again and it stops. So you can use it for blowing, right? And of course it comes with a brush attachment which you can use for cleaning as well. For example, if you want to get without removing the fan on the GPU, let me show you. You want to clean the sides, you can just so you can use the brush part to clean the fan and blow the dust away. But yes, this will not give you that thorough cleaning. You will have to open the shroud of the fan and then use it to clean it. Then you have the next thing that I have is different size EST brush, right? So there is one here. So these are the different sizes of EST brush that I use to loosen the dust up from all the nooks and corners of the shrouds where it gets accumulated. So there are different sizes of it based on which corner that you look of the GPU that you're trying to clean. Based on that, I will use that appropriate brush, right? So this brush is an EST brush, which is a little bit of a thick bristled brush actually, right? So let me show you that. So it has some thick bristles. So this is how it works. This is how it is designed. So you can reach, let me show you an example. You can reach the nooks and crannies of the GPU blades, and you can try to dust it off. If you see, there is some dirt on, I don't know whether you can see it on the camera, but there is some dirt, right? So it helps with that. It loosens, it helps you loosen the dust out, right? Especially the superfine dust that tends to get accumulated on the GPU, right? So it helps to loosen those dust out. Then after that, I have this fine brush, right? Which is again, you get two variants of this. One is silicone and the other one is natural hair. Of course, natural hair brushes are a little bit more expensive. So I am using the silicone one because this gives you much more finer cleaning. If you see, it really helps in cleaning out the dust much more in depth, and it tries to get rid of most of it, right? And it helps in that. So this brush has different variants of it, right? I have probably, what do you call it, 6 mm an 8 mm, and this is a 2 mm brush actually, right? And the next one that I use is your, of course, watercolor brush. This again is made of silicone. The reason is just in case if you want to go deep into the card and if you want to clear out without removing the thermal paste, if you want to clear out the dirt, right? This helps in clearing out the dirt on the card, right? It can reach some nooks and crannies where your other brushes can't. And if you're not reapplying thermal paste, right, then this brush does come in handy. What I use this as well to actually get to those nooks and crannies, because I have not applied thermal paste, because my thermal pastes are all fine. I have not seen any spike in the GPU temperatures or anything of that sort, so it is absolutely fine. So that's the reason I'm not applying thermal pads again, new thermal pads yet, but when time comes I will definitely do it. So this is this is what I use for cleaning. And of course, to remove the shroud, I use a precision driver set, which is again a basic set which only has about 6 units actually, or six different units, but primarily the most of these that I use are star ones, right? This is what comes in handy for us for opening those small tiny screws which are used to assemble the shrouds of the GPU and the fan. So this is the other equipment that I use for cleaning my fan. So all this equipment that you see is either sourced on Amazon or especially the this brush I couldn't find it on Amazon. I bought this in an offline store, so which this costed me like about $3 to $4, not more than that, right? And it comes in pretty handy. So links to these are in the description. If you are interested in picking them up, you can do so. Of course, watercolor paintbrush, you can find it in any stationery store or anything of that sort. So that's not a big difficult thing to find. VST brush, you find it in different varieties and flavors. So check as per requirement, pick it up, because I bought 2 sets because I couldn't find this one in the kit that I wanted, so I had to order another kit, and this particular brush came with that, right? So this is the equipment that I use for cleaning my GPUs, right? And this is of course I forgot one more thing. This is another thing which is called Aerol contact and component cleaner spray. This is a quick dry spray. So what it does is, if you have any dirt in any corner of the fan or anything of that sort, you can use this to spray that dirt, and it will actually loosen the dirt up and it will dry up very quickly. Then it is easy for you to brush. So this is also bought from Amazon. So this is available. So just make sure that it is specific for electronics as well. It specifies for electronics as well and PCBs. So this one is for electronics and components. So that's the reason I bought this. Just make sure when you're buying this, make sure that it is a quick dry one and for electronics as well. Because some of these component cleaners tend to leave some greasy residue behind, so which you would not want on a GPU. So that is something that you will have to be a little careful of. So as of now, that's all I have for this video. If you like what I do, so please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, you guys stay safe, take care. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.